guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lily and I make videos about what life is really like here in beautiful Bella Calabria.
Buongiorno belli amici, welcome to Calabria Dreaming. Today I'm taking you guys on an amazing experience at a 5-star spa. We just arrived, it's in Capovaticano, it's called Thalasso Spa and Resort. And we're about to walk in. I'm so excited. I haven't had a good massage in 5 years since I've been here. Spa culture is not big here in Calabria. So this is like a massive treat for me. And I am, when I tell you the biggest spa whore in the universe, I have been to all the best spas in the world in Hawaii, Bali, Mexico, all over the world. Even in Los Angeles, you know, Los Angeles has amazing spa culture with all the Korean spas and such. So this is the lobby area. I'm going to take you through my entire day and show you everything. So if you're a big spa whore like me, this will be a fantastic treat. So let's go check it out. This is the lobby. And the view is so stunning. It has Stromboli volcano. I'm gonna show you that. The drive here was amazing. It's about 2 hours from where I live. A beautiful drive. Look at this open aired lobby. And down there is the spa. That's where we're going. But look how gorgeous. I'm so happy to be here, you guys. This is awesome. All right, you guys, look at the little reception to the spa. It's so fabulous. I love it so much. Look at the products that they're using. So these are like Calabrian made products with like all of the bergamot and lemon. Natra Bise, Barcelona. I don't know. And then look, they have Power Vinyasa Yoga tonight at 6. I didn't bring my yoga clothes. And they have like a whole yoga schedule. So fantastic. It's so high end. It almost feels like I'm not in Calabria. And then look at this like little outdoor area. Loving the cactuses. So we're about to go in and we're super excited. I'm getting an 80-minute relaxing massage and my boyfriend is getting an 80-minute hot stone massage. So let me just go around here and check it out. Obviously don't want to put anybody on camera. This beautiful water fountain area. Gorge. That goes upstairs. Oh, there's people here, so I'm gonna turn off the camera, but let me just tell you. Oh wait, here we go. And the pool goes inside and outside. So gorgeous. So we just got into our comfortable robes, and before we get our massage, they have this little bar area with teas, relaxing teas, and bergamot water, and different drinks and fruit. And then look at this pool, you guys. So it's all seawater or marine water, so there's no chlorine. And it has a pool that goes indoor and outdoor. I mean, look at this spa, you guys. It's beautiful. And then they have this other course over here, a jet course that you walk around in, and it massages you in different places with different jets. It's amazing. And then they have Turkish bath, hot room, and cold plunge. So we're gonna do all of that today. But yeah, this is like the best spa ever. All right, guys, I just finished my 80-minute massage. I can't even talk. It was really good. As I was saying before, I have very high spa standards because I'm a spa whore. So I'm gonna rate things the way I see them, but please note that I haven't had any spa experiences in 5 years. And maybe it's just because I haven't had any spa experiences in so long that I'm rating it so high. But the massage was a 7.5, which is very high, you guys. They had this bergamot oil that they used, which smelled amazing, and the technician was very gentle. I wanted a relaxing massage today because my back really hurts. I didn't want anything crazy. And she did exactly that. And it took me away to paradise. So just thought I'd show you guys the room. So the massage was 7.5 to an 8. And let's go check out the rest of the spa, and then I'll give you guys like my overall rating. Good morning. Yes, guys, so let's go continue this amazing spa day. Oh my God, you guys, we just finished spying. I wasn't able to film the jet course because there was just too many naked people walking around. But let me tell you, it's really awesome. I could stay in that jet pool forever. And now, before we leave, we just want to catch the sunset because we don't live on the Sunset Coast. So this is like a special treat for us. And it's so freaking gorgeous. So that's the spa area, just to kind of give you an idea of this amazing structure. And it's super windy and stormy today. Wow. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this sunset. The spa gets a solid 7.5. Minus points because it didn't have balsam in the shower and the towels were really crispy. But other than that, it was a great day. Oh my God, and look at this sunset, you guys. We just made it. So beautiful. So next time you're in Calabria, make sure you come and check out Thalasso Spa. It's the best in Calabria for sure. I'll give it that. Oh, look at these waves. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.